In this exam, we are going to practice with Ivanita-chan and Santi first. Okay, guys? Fer and Ale, observe. Okay?
Okay.
Perfect.
Okay.
Don't cry, Ivanita-chan. You can do this. Okay, good afternoon. My name is Fernando, and I'm going to do your speaking test. What's your name, candidate A, Santi?
Hi, teacher. My name is Santiago.
Thank you very much. Candidate B, Ivanita-chan, what's your name?
My name is Ivana.
Perfect. Ivana, where do you come from?
I am from Mexico.
Good. Santi, do you work or are you a student?
I am a student.
Thank you very much. Now, let's talk about the area where you live. Santi, how do you travel in the area where you live?
Can you repeat, please, teacher?
Sure. How do you travel in the area where you live?
Mm, mm, How do you travel in the area when you live?
Where you live.
Mm,
Do you travel by bus or do you drive?
I I I always mm, I always I always take a plane a plane.
You always take a what?
I always take the, how do you say avión? Plane?
Plane. Finish?
Yes.
Okay, good. Ivana, where is the best place to go in the evening in your area?
In my area, I think the best place in my area is the the area where I live. Uh, I think the best place in my area is the park.
Why?
Because I like to be there and be relaxed. And sometimes I can go to play badminton with my family or friends. Sometimes. And that's it.
Perfect. Thank you very much. Santi, do you have many neighbors?
Neighbors?
Neighbor. You
They,
know, people next to you, people who live close to you.
can you repeat, please, teacher?
Yes. Do you have many neighbors?
Yes, I have many neighbors.
Perfect. Okay, thank you very much. Now, let's talk about clothes. Santi, eh, where do you buy your clothes?
I buy my clothes. Um, uh, I buy my clothes at the mall.
Thank you. Ivana, what kind of clothes do you wear when you do sports?
Um, I wear mm, a shirt,
Mhm,
um, a large t-shirt
mhm.
when I am playing any sport. Sorry, when I am playing sport.
Okay, that sounds good. Perfect. Thank you very much. Part two. In this part of the test, you are going to talk together. Okay? Look. Okay, just a second, huh? Okay, so here are some pictures that show different types of food. Do you like these different types of food? Say why or why not. I'll say that again. Attention, Santi. Attention, Ivanita Chan. Do you like these different types of food? Say why or why not. And please talk together. 1, 2, 3, action.
Mm, I like the fruit because it's healthy for me. Um, and it helps me to be
Sorry,
thin.
Ivanita Chan. Put your microphone closer because I cannot hear you.
Sorry. I like the fruit because it's healthy for everyone. Um, when I need a snack, I just take a fruit. Santi, do you like the pizza?
Yes, I like the pizza.
Why?
Because 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 I love the pepperoni. And you? Do you like the pizza?
Yeah, I love it. I think the most delicious is pepperoni.
Okay.
Continue talking.
Um,
2 minutes. What about the fruit or the cake?
Ivana, do you like the cake?
yeah, I like to eat a cake, but just birthday because it's so so bad for me if I eat it every day.
Okay.
What about mm, the hamburgers?
I like the hamburgers because the meat is because mm, because the meat is um like chicken.
Oh,
All right.
uh,
Time is up. Very good. Thank you very much. Finished. Now, Santi, do you think fruit is healthy?
Mm, healthy?
Mm-hmm.
Mm, for me, no, it's not healthy.
Why?
Um,
Or why not?
I um, oh,
Why isn't fruit healthy?
healthy is like fat, right?
No, the opposite is good. Good
Yeah.
for your body.
Well. Uh, there are they are some fruits. Mm, there are some fruits that I don't like.
Okay, good. And Ivana-chan, tell me, do you think vegetables are boring?
mm, not really, because I love it. Um, that's so good for me and for
Mhm.
everyone. Everyone, sorry.
Okay. Now, do you prefer, Santi, do you prefer a large meal or just a snack?
I just snack.
Why? Why do
Uh,
you prefer a snack?
Um, the snack we're talking about, like any food?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, because the um, because a snack can have uh because a snack can have what I like.
Yes. Mhm. Good. And you, Ivanita-chan? How about you? Do you prefer a large meal or just a snack?
I just prefer a snack
Why?
because I don't eat a lot.
Perfect. Thank you very much. That is the end of your test.